Hi everyone, Loaded Forex here. Today I'm going to break down the top-down analysis for Forex beginner and also explain some of the setups we have in probabilities on pounds against US dollar and AUD against US dollar. If you are new to this channel, please kindly like and subscribe so that YouTube can notify you when next I upload useful video content. Let's go guys.
As a price action trader, one of the best ways to understand the overview of the market is top-down analysis. As a good trader, you should be able to analyze your market to understand the direction of the market from the higher time frame. This is pounds against US dollar monthly time frame. The market has been in a bearish movement for a long period of time, starting from this high to this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then price gave us another retracement, which is lower high for the continuation of the lower low, lower high, lower low. On the weekly time frame, you can see clearly that price has given us a sharp pattern head and shoulder. This is the head, we have the shoulder here, we have another shoulder here. This space is serving as a neckline of the head and shoulder. Price broke the neckline, give us a retest at the neckline of the head and shoulder for the continuation of the bearish movement. This head and shoulder represent bearish reversal pattern. Let's mark out our major levels on the weekly time frame. This is a level 1, major level 2, and if we look at the structure of the market on the weekly time frame, we can see that the market has been in a bullish structure from this zone, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then we have higher high, then we have lower low. On the daily time frame, we can also see that the market is also bearish. Studying the chart, we can see from this high we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then we have lower low here, and price went up to the neckline to retest the neckline of the head and shoulder on the weekly time frame for the continuation of the bearish movement to give us lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Let's figure out our trend line on the daily time frame by connecting the trend line from this peak to the next peak at this zone. If price come to touch or tap this trend on the total, there is high probability price might respect this trend line for the continuation of the bearish movement, or price might break the trend line to the upper side, then we'll wait for your retest on this trend line for the continuation of the bullish movement. Let's figure out other major levels on the daily time frame. We have another major levels around this zone where we have multiple price reaction, price rejection around this zone, around this zone. That is a very significant major levels. Let's figure out another major levels around. We have another major levels around this place. This is also a zone where we have price rejection around this zone. On the 4-hour time frame, as a good technical analyst, you have to understand the historical market pattern of each pair before you take any decision in the market. For the past few weeks, market has been giving us the same pattern over and over. Starting from this space, market give us ascending movement, back to descending movement, back to ascending movement, back to descending movement, back to ascending movement. Then seller took charge of the market, they sold down to this place. Now price is giving us another ascending movement to tap this trend line for the continuation of the bearish movement. Another perspective of the market, if in case the market is unable to give us candlestick signal for us to sell the market from here, price might likely in probability to break this trend line to the upper side. Then we will be waiting for a retest on the trend line for us to buy the market to the upper resistance around this zone. We're expecting market to come down to this zone, give us candlestick reaction. We need candlestick that represent the presence of sellers in the market for us to be able to sell the market. Remember, no signal, no entry. This is our point of interest for the week on pounds against US dollar. The second pair on our watch list for the week is AUD against US dollar. This is 4 hours time frame. As you can see, the market is also bearish on AUD against US dollar. From this high to the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, then lower high. In the future, we're expecting another lower low for the continuation of the market. Let's draw our trend line from this peak to the next peak. According to the rules of trend line, we are expecting a setup on the third touch of the trend line around this zone where we have a major resistance level. We are anticipating for price to come to this resistance level to tap this trend line, give us candlestick signal that represent the presence of seller in the market for us to be able to have a proper entry to short the market to the other side. On AUD US dollar, this zone is our point of interest where we're expecting the market to give us signal to short the market to the next support zone on AUD US dollar. The next support zone on the 4 hours time frame is going to be our final take profit on AUD against US dollar. If this video has blessed you in one way or the other, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that YouTube can notify you when I upload useful video content. See you next time, guys.